Hello, and welcome to Consumer Tech. Today, we're diving into the 5 best budget 3D printers of 2025, perfect for anyone looking to create without breaking the bank. Stick around to find your ideal 3D printer, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details. Let's get started. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra Neo, a remarkable addition to the world of 3D printing designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. This printer stands out with its user-friendly setup and impressive performance capabilities, making it an ideal choice for those looking to dive into the realm of additive manufacturing. One of the key features of the Cobra Neo is its auto-leveling technology, which simplifies the initial setup process and ensures that prints adhere perfectly to the build plate. This feature is particularly advantageous for newcomers to 3D printing as it minimizes common issues related to bed leveling, allowing users to focus on creativity instead of technicalities. The Cobra Neo boasts a generous print volume, enabling users to create larger models without the need for frequent assembly of smaller parts. This expanded space opens up a world of possibilities, whether you're printing intricate designs, prototypes, or larger functional components. Additionally, the printer supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, providing versatility in material selection for various projects. Another standout aspect of the Anycubic Cobra Neo is its impressive print quality. With a resolution that rivals more expensive models, it delivers fine details and smooth finishes, making it suitable for both hobbyist projects and professional applications. Users can expect consistent results, thanks to its reliable extrusion system and well-engineered components. Moreover, the printer's sleek design and compact footprint make it an attractive addition to any workspace. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE represents a significant step forward in the realm of 3D printing, building upon the already impressive legacy of its predecessors. Known for its affordability, reliability, and ease of use, the Ender 3 series has garnered a dedicated following among both hobbyists and professionals. The V3 SE model introduces several noteworthy enhancements that elevate the printing experience. First and foremost, it features a refined build volume, allowing users to create larger and more intricate models without the constraints of smaller print areas. This expanded capability opens up new possibilities for creative projects, from detailed miniatures to functional prototypes. One of the standout improvements in the Ender 3 V3 SE is its upgraded print head, which boasts improved thermal management and a more efficient nozzle design. This results in better extrusion consistency and reduced risk of clogs, ensuring smoother operation during prints. Additionally, the printer's enhanced stability and rigidity contribute to more accurate prints, minimizing vibrations that can lead to imperfections. The user interface has also seen a makeover, with a more intuitive touchscreen display that simplifies navigation through settings and print options. This makes it easier for beginners to get started while providing experienced users with quick access to advanced features. Another significant feature of the Ender 3 V3 SE is its compatibility with a wide range of filament types, from standard PLA to more exotic materials like PETG and TPU. Number 3. Elgu Mars 3 represents a significant leap forward in the realm of affordable resin 3D printing, catering to both hobbyists and professionals alike. This printer boasts a high-resolution monochrome LCD screen, which allows for faster printing speeds and improved longevity compared to traditional color LCDs. With its impressive 4K resolution, the Mars 3 produces highly detailed prints that capture intricate designs with precision, making it an ideal choice for those who require exceptional quality in their projects. One of the standout features of the Eligo Mars 3 is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the printing process for newcomers while still offering advanced settings for more experienced users. The improved build volume provides ample space for printing larger models or multiple smaller items simultaneously, enhancing productivity and versatility. Moreover, the Mars 3 is equipped with a robust and stable structure that minimizes vibrations during the printing process, ensuring consistent results with every print. Its compatibility with a wide range of resin materials also opens up endless possibilities for creativity, whether you're crafting miniatures, prototypes, or intricate art pieces. In summary, the Eligo Mars 3 continues to solidify its position as a leader in the resin 3D printing market, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to deliver outstanding performance and reliability. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your 3D printing journey, the Mars 3 is a compelling choice that promises to meet and exceed your expectations. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra 2, a remarkable advancement in the world of 3D printing designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. This printer showcases an impressive blend of user-friendly features and advanced technology, making it an enticing option for anyone looking to dive into the realm of additive manufacturing. One of the standout features of the Cobra 2 is its innovative auto-leveling system, which simplifies the setup process and ensures that your prints start off on the right foot every time. This means less time fiddling with manual adjustments and more time bringing your creative visions to life. Additionally, the printer boasts a build volume that allows for larger prints, giving users the flexibility to experiment with bigger designs and projects. The Cobra 2 is also equipped with a high-quality extrusion system that delivers consistent material flow, resulting in smoother prints with finer details. This is complemented by its compatibility with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, making it versatile enough to handle various printing needs. Another key highlight is the upgraded user interface, which features a bright touchscreen display that provides easy navigation through the printer's settings and options. This intuitive interface allows users to quickly adjust print parameters and monitor progress, enhancing the overall printing experience. Moreover, the Anycubic Cobra 2 is built with durability in mind, featuring a robust frame that minimizes vibrations and improves print stability. This ensures that even intricate designs can be printed with precision. Number 1. Elgu Neptune 3 Pro represents a significant advancement in the realm of affordable 3D printing, combining user-friendly features with high-quality performance. This 3D printer is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced users, making it a versatile option for anyone interested in bringing their creative ideas to life. One of the standout features of the Neptune 3 Pro is its impressive build volume, allowing for larger prints or multiple smaller projects to be completed in a single session. The printer is equipped with a robust metal frame that enhances stability during operation, resulting in smoother prints and reduced vibrations. Additionally, the Neptune 3 Pro boasts a range of smart features that enhance the user experience. The automatic bed leveling system simplifies the setup process, ensuring that the first layer of every print adheres perfectly to the print bed. This feature significantly reduces the likelihood of print failures and saves valuable time for users. The printer also offers a high print resolution capable of producing intricate details and smooth surfaces, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from prototyping to creating intricate models. Its compatibility with multiple filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, further expands the creative possibilities for users. Another notable aspect of the Eligo Neptune 3 Pro is its user-friendly interface, which features a color touchscreen display. This intuitive control panel makes navigation straightforward, allowing users to easily select settings, monitor print progress, and access printing options.